Now this problem illustrates how we can find equilibrium constant for a reverse reaction if equilibrium constant for the forward reaction is given. So let us read this problem and then we will discuss. So you have been given equilibrium constant for this reaction, that is N2 plus O2, and this gives you 2NO, and all are gases, and equilibrium constant for this reaction is 1 into 10 to the power minus 30, and then we have to find equilibrium constant for this reaction, that is 2NO, and this gives you N2 plus O2. All substances are gases. So let us say we have to find what is this Kc value. Let us call this as Kc dash. So we have to find Kc dash. If you write equilibrium constant expression for this reaction, we have Kc, this is equals to product raised to the power corresponding coefficient divided by reactant. And now if I write equilibrium constant for this reaction, I can write Kc dash, this is N2 multiplied by concentration of O2 and concentration of NO raised to the power 2. If you see slightly closely, you see this Kc and this Kc dash basically are reciprocal to each other. In this case, NO to the power 2 is in the numerator. In this case, this is in the denominator. Here N2 and O2 in the denominator, but here N2 and O2 is in the numerator. So basically now we can relate Kc is basically nothing but 1 by Kc dash. So from here we can write Kc dash, that is equals to 1 by Kc. So now I have a important information, that is equilibrium constant for reverse reaction is reciprocal of the forward reaction. And what is the meaning when I say reaction in the forward direction, in the reverse direction? So this written reaction is forward. So if I read from left to right, we are calling this as a forward. If I am reading from right to left, that is reverse, that is 2NO, N2 and O2, 2NO, N2 and O2. So I am calling this reaction as a reverse reaction. So for forward reaction case is given 1 into 10 to the power minus 30. So this is 1 into 10 to the power minus 30. So it will become 1 into 10 to the power 30. So equilibrium constant for reverse reaction, that is Kc dash, is 1 into 10 to the power 30. And equilibrium constant is dimensionless quantity. Now let us try this practice problem. This is easy one. Just you have to calculate equilibrium constant for reverse reaction, that is Kp. Now once again you have been given forward reaction N2 plus 3H2, and this gives you 2NH3, and all substances are gases, Our Kp value is given, that is 4.34 into 10 to the power minus 3. Now reverse reaction we will have, that is this is 2NH3 and this will give you N2 plus 3H2, and let us call this as a Kp dash. So we have to find Kp dash and use the same idea. This is the forward reaction and this is reverse reaction. And now we know forward and reverse reaction are related by reciprocals. So we can say Kp dash is nothing but 1 by Kp, and Kp is given, that is 4.34 into 10 to the power minus 3. So we will have this value 1 by 4.34 into 10 to the power 3, and now 1 by 4.34. This is 0.23, and if I write up to 3 digit, 0.230 into 10 to the power 3, that is Kp dash will be 230. So equilibrium constant for reverse reaction is 230 at the same temperature. Temperature is given and this is at 300 degrees centigrade, because equilibrium constant also depends upon temperature. So this is given at 300 degrees centigrade. So equilibrium constant for reverse reaction is also at 300 degrees centigrade. If I wish to write in scientific notation, I can write Kp dash is 2.3 into 10 to the power 2. So that is in scientific notation. So answer is in scientific notation.